So, good morning, student. This is the Origin Life Office, Head Office, Sector 38, Chandigarh. So, here we are providing you the best practical knowledge related to your histopathology, microbiology, molecular biology, and reproductive genetics. So, here you can just join a best course which will give you the job oriented course BSc and MSc in clinical embryology and reproductive genetics. So see, these are the job oriented course and you can join. The seats are going to fill as soon as possible and we have very good facility here. We are providing the best practical knowledge, right? So don't waste your time to do other courses which are not job oriented. Just do the courses which are job oriented. So see, these are the flyers we have. I also shared on my Facebook account, or I have also shared on LinkedIn as well. So if you have any questions, the number is given on this flyer. You can call on this number as well, or you can call on my number because my number is always shared on the social media from my account, and I am available 24 by 7 to help you, to mentor you that what you have to do and which course is best for you, so that you don't have to waste lot of time. After BSc you can join a junior embryologist, and if you have already done your BSc in life sciences or any related field to the life sciences, so you can join this job oriented course. You can do your MSc or you can do your PhD as well. So we have very good team of faculty members as well, and all are experts in their own field. We have PhD, DSc, postdoctorate, and the people who have more than 25 and 30 years experience from the industry, same industry, the in vitro fertilization, the IVF centers, a lot of embryologists required in coming years. So don't waste your time and please join the best course. Right now the demand is more of embryologist, and you will be finding a better future in this clinical embryology and reproductive genetics. So you are going to help the future generation, you are going to help the people and they become the parent, right? So they have some problems, genetic problems. So with the help of embryologist, the gynecologist, and the IVF centers, they are providing the services to the people who are having any problem related to the infertility. So we are the institute in all over India. We are the first institute of fertility. We are working on this particular area, and we have also the good research project, and we are giving the maximum practical exposure to the students, right? So this is, we have head office here at sector 38 Chandigarh, and we have this team with us. Director Dipneet Kaur, Dr. MP Bansal, me, Nirmalya Paul, Jagriti, Mamta. So these people are working here in the Origin. So this is the one beautiful painting, and this is, I am now going to show the lab. So this is a beautiful lab. You can see this is the front. We have the centrifuge, and yeah, this is the notice and lab timings of the people, and these are the SOP of this particular centrifuge. After that, this is our best instrument, you can say. The yeah, this is the laminar air flow. Yeah, you guys, you must be knowing that this is the area where we are working, we are maintaining the sterility. So whenever you are going to handle any kind of culture or tissue culture, anything, so you require the sterile area. So laminar air flow, this is that, see the cross structures, that is the HEPA filter, right? You must be knowing, or many students are aware of this. HEPA filter is providing the sterile air to the environment or the place where you are working. So this is a very beautiful diagram picture of immunology of yes, human cell lines and antigen expression. So it's a very important topic, so it's given there. So our team is working on the fertility area. So this is the very good lab we have. Now I'll show you the histopathology lab where we are working. So you see all the facilities available here. We are processing the tissues of endometrium, right? So these are the slide warmer, right? So you can join the best coaching here, and best practical exposure will be given to you. So students, very good environment here, very good working culture here, and every facility you can get at reasonable fee structure and reasonable place, and very near. It's in Chandigarh city, beautiful, right? So this is the microscope, fluorescent microscope. We have the screen, and you see the fluorescent microscope is there. And yeah, water bath is there. We have rotary microtome because we are working on the tissues. The tissues cutting was done with the help of microtomy, and with the help of biochemistry analyzer we are also detecting some, if some problem is there in the biochemistry level, biochemical analysis we are also doing, right, for the research purpose. And we are also performing some molecular biology is there. You can see UV trans illuminator we have, and this is, we have all setup of gel. We are running the gel. This is a gel dock we have here, and we are DNA extraction with the help of gel electrophoresis. We are confirming the specific DNA, and yeah, we have Wi-Fi free of cost. We are giving the Wi-Fi to our students. Yeah, this is the beautiful picture of Buddha, right? And now this is the the best instrument, you can say, the PCR, polymerase chain reactions we have with us, Biored, and weighing balance. And this is also these are the chemicals which we required for our experiment. So you will be getting the each and every facility here in this lab, so you need not to go outside, you just have to work here. This is the refrigerator, and now this is the, again, laminar airflow. So this is a small place, but the big work, big task we can do. So better research only can be done with the help of the facilities and the basic need which required for the research. So thank you very much for watching this video, and this is the entrance of Origin Life Sector 38, right? So yeah, these are the previous photographs we have, and this is our Origin counter. And meet Jagriti, she is she is here as account officer, and she is working here for the Origin. So she is also studying along with her job, and she is looking after the all work. So again, these are the flyers of Origin and Riyadh Mahara. In collaboration we are running this particular course. We have independent department there, so you can call on this numbers. You see I'm zooming out this particular number, yeah, or you can contact me as well. There is not any issues. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching this video. So we are, the embryologist team are doing well and very good. We are helping to the people who are not getting kids, or and they are having any problem related to fertility. So we as a team can work, and we can as a team can provide a better facility to our upcoming generations. So please join us and see the difference. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.